Welcome to our channel, See the Beautiful Ideas, where we give you tips and tricks on how to create a beautiful garden with just perennial flowers. In this video, we will show you how you can create a stunning garden that blooms all year round without spending money on plants every year, with just a few simple steps. Step 1 is to planning your garden. Decide what kind of plants you want to grow and where you want to plant them. Make sure you choose the right location that gets enough sunlight and has good soil drainage. Step 2. Make sure you choose the right perennial flowers. When it comes to choosing the right perennial flowers, you have to consider a few factors such as the size of your garden, your climate, and the type of soil you have. Some of the most popular perennial flowers include hydrangea, black-eyed Susan, hostas, coneflowers, and daylilies. Step 3 is planting your perennial flowers. Once you have chosen the right flowers for your garden, it's time to plant them. Start by digging a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball. Then, place the plant in the hole and cover it with soil. Water it thoroughly to help it settle in. Step 4, maintenance. To keep your garden looking beautiful, you need to maintain it regularly. This means watering your plants regularly, pruning them when necessary, and removing any weeds that may grow in the garden. Therefore, creating a beautiful garden with just perennial flowers is not as hard as it seems. By following these simple steps, you can have a stunning garden that will bloom all year round. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your garden today and enjoy the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching.